Accidentally started downloading a game on a Nintendo Switch or just had a change of heart. If the download is stuck or simply taking up valuable storage, don't worry. Stopping it is quick and easy. Here's the right way to cancel or pause a game download on your Switch. So first of all, let me just open my home menu and go to the virtual game cards menu. I'll just select the game first and start downloading it. Now when the game starts installing, let's go back to our home screen and use our controller buttons to select the game. While selected, press the plus button on your controller, go to Manage Software. Now select Cancel Download or Delete Software if either of them shows up. Confirm when prompted, and all the game download will be stopped and removed. And that's all it takes to cancel game downloads on a Nintendo Switch. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Nintendo guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.